for a fact that, manifestation and law of attraction and law of assumption are sound like buzzwords on the internet right now. But if you think about it, or when you get into the semantics and the science of it, it seems like there is a connection between human DNA and the law of attraction. Welcome to Ep03 of the Quantum Thinker. Before we get started, I know it's a given that this is not one of those series where we decide what's right or what's wrong. It's just somewhat of a series where I just express the kind of thoughts that could perhaps probe you to think about things that we don't really think about often. And today's topic is actually very interesting and very, very different. So it's the idea of DNA and law of attraction. Because what does the law of attraction say? It simply says that you have to be the vibration of whatever you want to attract into your life, right? Gonna get off topic and just drop this bomb over here. How much data can 1 gram of DNA store? It can store up to 215 petabytes. Let that number sink in. And when we say data, we mean 10, the binary data, yes. And ironically, 1 drop of DNA in your body can store up to what the scientists have figured out about 13.8 billion years of data. That's how old the universe is. Coincidence? I think not. If you're bold enough to say that you are the universe, because that's what the law of thermodynamics indicates, right? That energy is never really destroyed, right? It just converts from one form to the other. So, okay, so now hear me out. Scientists have found that energetic memories can pass down generations via DNA, up to 14 generations, right? Which we also, in some ways, call generational trauma. When you think about it this way, it does indicate that in order to change yourself, you do have to reprogram your DNA. And that would probe you to making a bold enough statement to say that the human DNA has everything to do with the law of attraction. It's not just really a buzzword, because think about it this way. Every single one of us has a built-in Wi-Fi system of sorts, right? Which is getting signals from the ether of space and time 24/7. And I know this sounds bizarre, but remember that electromagnetic spectrum is a very limited spectrum that we actually do have access to. There is a lot more out there. And understand this, that waves, or the ones passing through you or out of you at any given second, do carry energy, right? So in short, if everything that you see is just on the basis of the spectrum of light that you can view, and it's on the basis of the kind of waves that are passing through you or out of you at any given second, it simply means that you just vibrate on a frequency. That is what the law of attraction is. So I don't know. What do you think?